It's a very dreary, rainy day in Ikebukuro. Today my plan is to try and get into the Denhime special New Year's live because they are letting you in for free if you come on the day. So fingers crossed, if it's not sold out, I should be able to get in. And they're wearing hakama today, so that's really cool. It will be my first like special costume hakama live ever, so I'm really excited. Obviously I'm Naochi gyao. I must simply dress in white only. And I'm also gonna try and go to this cafe. It looks very like minimalist and fancy. I'm gonna go to do some oshikatsu there. I've spent the last 2 days going to dog lives, one in Ibaraki and the other in Chiba. It was so much fun, like the best set list, best vibe. We've got a lot of plans, so I'm excited to go to like the remaining 6 lives I have left and just have fun and do a lot of furi and oshikatsu in the time that I have left. Oh my gosh, let's see if we can get into Jonathan. Oh god, I'm so cold. Wow, that's so cute. You can get goods of the little robot that delivers food. That may have been the most unlucky day of my whole trip. That was so bad. Oh my gosh, first of all, it's raining all day from the moment I left, and I go to the first cafe and it's closed. They say they'll be open from tomorrow, I think, but I don't have time to go tomorrow or any other time for that matter, and I choose another cafe, my backup cafe, and that one is also closed early because the last order's at 4 and I got there at 4. I think they just closed because there was no one already in the cafe, so it looks like everything was shut up. And I get to Ikebukuro Edge and I put everything in my locker, everything's fine. I managed to get in and then I got hit with 5cm platform tax, which I was not expecting at all because I bought these shoes specifically because they're the smallest platform in the shop, because I knew that some Vans have like a no platforms higher than 5cm rule. Okay, fair enough, which is fine. I agree with that, but obviously I don't have a ruler and I assumed my shoes would be fine, especially because I was like nowhere near the front and I was like surely they're less than 5cm, and I was like in the like back row down the step, so whoever was behind me could see over my head for sure. I came in like with like 5 minutes left to start, and the staff came over and measured my platform. I was like, oh no. It's gonna be fine though, I think it's gonna be fine. And then when he showed me, it looked like it was 5 centimeters. Like it looked, he was pointing to 5 centimeters on the dot, so I think that was a bit unfair, but oh well. I saw people with shoes that looked exactly the same as mine, like exactly the same thickness. So I had to pay for cloakroom to put my shoes away and pay for like the rental of the slippers, and I was just like, this is so stressful, like I hate this. Luckily I managed to get back to my spot in time for the start, but I was just like, that sucks, like I cannot believe this. I deliberately left my platform trainers at home, didn't even bring them with me. I had to buy these new ones because they're smaller, and I thought that's fine, I'll just buy smaller ones for this live, it'll be great. It was not small enough apparently. I just have to buy Crocs at this point, so that was very stressful. I was like, oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. I saw a lot of other people had to do that as well, so it's okay. I'm just annoyed because I knew the rule and I thought I was fine. That's what annoys me the most. Apart from that, everything was fine. Oh my god, it was such a day. I was coming there for Naochi and he was very cute today. Everyone's wearing white hakama and for the like New Year's live, and he was wearing these little like hair accessories on either side of his head, and his eyes are very blue today, very blue contact lens. And they talked a lot during MC about their like hatsuyume, like the first dream that you have on New Year's. Set list was good. I got to hear Yummy Choco and the new songs from Cotton Candy, and I kind of did okay with the footy. I practiced a bit this morning, but it's not great. And then I went to Bupan and I got more akusta because I wanted to complete my whole set of these ones. We got Urara 1, Urara 2, Naochi. It's a very cute one. Lovely, more special than the others. And then I got, drumroll, Aoi number 3. Then I did my Satsui Kai with Naochi, and it took ages because they've introduced this like fast pass thing now. So if you have a fast pass, if you have it, you bought it, whatever, you can go to the front of the queue. So I was there for like 20 minutes and my phone was on like 7%. Luckily it lasted long enough for me to give it to the staff to take the photo, and I told Naochi Happy New Year, and that God First was really fun as well, and I think the Nohimaka were really strong there. That's it. I'm soaked. Can you believe it's raining all day? Hopefully it stops raining tomorrow. Anyway, I wanted to check out this little ice cream and frozen goods shop that's like down the road, so let's go. Now's the perfect time because I want something sweet. Cute. Oh, wow. So cool. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Very cute. That's so cute. Little ice cream self-service.